all present here. I am Harshita.
And I'm Anita.
Well, this may be the last time we gather like this, the last time we say good morning as students of this precious institution. We always knew this day would come, but no amount of time would have prepared us for this hard goodbye. Today, we don't just leave school, we leave behind a place that has been our world, a place where we laughed till our stomachs hurt, cried on each other's shoulders, and built friendships that will last a lifetime.
To our dear teachers, you were more than just educators. You were the ones who saw potential in us when we couldn't see it in ourselves. You pushed us when we felt like giving up, comforted us when we failed, and celebrated with us when we succeeded. You weren't just our teacher. You were our guiding lights, our second parents, and the reason we stand here today, ready to face the world. We will never forget the kindness, the patience, and the unwavering belief you had in us.
And to our friends, our partners in crime, our 3 a.m. lifelines, our family away from home. How do we even begin to say goodbye? From inside jokes that no one else understands, to the silent nods of reassurance in the middle of an exam hall. We have been each other's greatest support. We've had endless conversations about the future, and now that it's here, it just feels too soon. The thought of not seeing each other every day, of not sharing lunch, of not complaining about work together, it hurts. But if this journey has taught us anything, it's that true friendships don't fade with distance, they grow stronger.
As we walk out of these gates for the last time as students, we take with us not just lessons, but love, not just knowledge, but memories. The school was never just about classrooms and corridors. It was about the moments that took our breath away, the people who changed us forever, and the praise that became our lives.
So here we are, standing at the edge of one chapter and the beginning of another. The future is waiting, but part of us will always stay here, frozen in these hallways, sitting in these classrooms, laughing in the same spots where we made our best memories.
This is not just a goodbye, it's a promise to never forget the people who made us who we are today, a promise to carry forward the lessons, the laughter, and the love we found here.
Finally, a last shout out to Principal Augustine Thomas sir, Vice Principal Marcy ma'am, Headmistress Lakshmi Gauri ma'am, Siti ma'am, Wanda ma'am, and Faizana ma'am for all the love and kindness you showered upon us. It is because of all of you that we stand here today, ready to face the world.
And lastly, I would also like to thank our Praveen sir, Manisha ma'am, Shamala ma'am, HM ma'am, for all of your continuous support and guidance. And I would also like to thank Ayana's and Anna's for their support.
With all our hearts, thank you for the best years of our life. Thank you and success.